Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and today I want to make a quick video about a question that I received about backtesting Forex trading strategies on a manual basis using the MT4 chart. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. If you look on the chart at the moment, this is how a chart would display. What you then do is you unclick the scrolling and chart shift functions, and that moves the chart to the right hand side, and then you can move it to wherever you want to move your chart to. That will let you start your testing whenever you are. You can go 2 years back and that will work. So just to give you an example of how you do this testing, and I'm going to use the RSI Divergence strategy to illustrate the point. So essentially you move it back, and as I've moved it back to July earlier this year on the daily chart this is. So I've moved it back, and this is to illustrate the functionality. All you then do is you press F12 and it will advance your chart one candle at a time. And what you then say is, all right, well, let's say I was trading live. What would I do on that candle? What would I do on that candle? What would I do on that candle? And that's how you back trade. So just to give you an illustration of this particular technique, it is a divergence technique. So all I'm looking for are divergences. There's nothing shown at the moment. Let's have a look. I'm advancing it one candle at a time. Oh, and there's a divergence. Now, just to show you why I say that's a divergence, the trend line on the price chart is going down, the trend line on the RSI is going up, so that's a divergence. So my rule is, when you spot that kind of thing, you enter on the 50 line. So let's just move it on. It hasn't crossed the 50 line, so oops, there we are. So it's crossed the 50 line. So what I then say to myself, oh, what would I do now? So I say, well, I'd enter on the close of the candle. That's the easy part, and I'd put my stop below the most recent low, and I would, for instance, put my target at the most recent resistance, major resistance level, as you can see, is up there. You could even put it down here if you feel more conservative, but let's leave it there. That's fine. So you would then say, all right, now I would enter this transaction, and you then press F12 to see how your transaction would have gone. So you press F12. Oh no, that's still going fine. That's fine. It's nowhere near our stop. That's good. That's good. And it hits the target. Great trade. Almost, let's just see what we did there. Almost 200 pips. So, and then you can go on and on and on and look for the next divergence, trade that one, and see how you would have done. So that's one way of trading the MT4 charts and back trading them and testing your systems on an ongoing basis. This way you can test years of data by back trading it this way, and it basically cuts the need for demo trading out completely. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.